It's a lady and I want to let me back. Hello, madam. Oh.
Oh, Mr. Miller, eat me chips.
Sarah say like me out.
So you have keep your hand. Hello.
Hello.
Alright, so we're doing a tour.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Alright, so we have the closet. This one we start again. Okay, welcome to our room at the Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa. First, we have a closet. And then give you an iron board and iron. And you close on it too. So you got all the clothes. What's this? Oh, this is a safe.
Probably a utility box or something. As in the programming for the room. So it's a smart room. Whenever we open the door, yeah, it was in the last hotel that we went to. Whenever we open the door for long, the AC turns off.
Oh, we get slippers. Put them on right now. You know they're bigger than my foot, please. Yeah. You sure you're not fit?
I got one question for you. What are those?
Anyways, after that we have the safe. You can stash your valuables. What are these? Laundry service. Oh, I guess that's for housekeeping. Like a checklist. Alright, closet is done. Oh, let's go over to the bathroom now. So we have our show over here. Nice, nice. We get things, always.
Like a soap.
Conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. They have conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. That's nice. That's the most quantity I've ever seen in a hotel so far.
Yeah.
It's a large bottle. You sure it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice show, you know?
Look a bit small, but it's nice. It's like the room is small, but then make the space look big.
Yeah.
Alright, next is the toilet.
The throne.
Where you do your business.
Nothing to see here.
But it's so highly clean. Making it so elegant. Anyways, come over here to the sink. Have my makeup mirror.
It's a single sink though.
Yeah. I'm not sure what to show you guys about this. Oh, the nail lotion, nice. And it's a reasonable amount.
Yes, man.
It smells spa-like. And I give you soap. Turn on the light. Turn on the lights.
Turn off the light. Light a candle.
We have the bathroom over here. A large mirror over here where I can take my pictures.
Take a picture or see yourself. How you trying? No, it's a mirror, take a
Take
picture.
my pictures. Take pictures in mirrors. You guys stack the towels. And oh, and here running tea. You know, some yes, we left for running can't be it. And here run.
Washcloth.
We got a lamp. This is cute. Very nice furniture. We have, what do you call this again?
Bedside table.
Bedside table with drawer. That's nice. Then you have the bed.
That's where the magic happens. I'm sure of it.
What are these? More drawers.
Do people really even use those?
Oh, nice. It's soft clothes.
Well, look from that. My wife talk about soft clothes. I tell you, my wife turn architect. You turn designer.
Oh, you get like cups and saucer and tea stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
You can do some brewing.
Oh, you have a coffee machine.
Mm-hmm.
Soft clothes the panties too. In a seat. Also, because
The fridge.
I'm with you all the time, I'm gonna pick up the lingo. Nuggle.
Jano.
I like this, by the way. You know my favorite chocolate in the fridge. This is also my father's favorite.
Red stripe.
I am put me on to this.
What is?
Little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. We get red stripe and
President Light.
Dr. Pepper this.
No, sir.
President Light. Is this Dr. Pepper?
I have no idea. Dr. Wood pepper on it.
It's a Presidente Light.
I'm sure that doesn't mean
Soda. I don't know.
that doesn't mean Dr. Pepper. I'm sure of it.
And Fanta and Sprite and Coca-Cola.
Mm-hmm.
And water, of course.
Water is life.
What's next? They gave us complimentary peanut and chipsters that we ate off already. Oh, what's this now? Food? Oh, food.
Ice. This for ice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Another lamp. This place is always some lighting and nice chair.
They you know, come nice hotel, you have to have a nice chair.
Bruh.
What's next? Alright. Another bedside table. Yes. The TV remote. Oh, my God, you can't go to TV. We don't really watch TV. We watch YouTube. That's about it.
I wonder if they have YouTube on it. Or internet. But all this come out of the case, so.
What's there? That's how it's supposed to. That's probably how they made it. Why you're pushing people in TV.
Next thing me go rock it.
Oh, it can actually go in there.
Yeah, I can go in. So I can push things.
That's what she said.
Or maybe it's automated.
No?
Oh, okay.
I'm sure that's not the case.
Over here, every TV remote, or they glue on the extensions on the table. Like if you want to call the nurse, or water sports, or the spa. And you have a telephone, of course. Alright.
The fan. Yeah. Leave it on. Cool down the place. Out the door hot, you know?
All the lights.
Yeah.
More lights, lamps. Okay. Alright, now we're on to this side. This is cool. It's interesting. I've never seen some lights before. It's a wick up. The wick. Last time. Like the last hotel. But they used it in this way. These are some interesting light bulbs. The front is silver. What I do?
I guess it diffused the light.
Okay. Alright, so we have another couch. I think she said that it's a pull-out couch. King size pull-out couch.
Queen?
Yeah. See? It's this wide. How will you pull it out?
This lady. Yeah, you have somebody else where you want to pull it out for? Mom? You go like you have picnic.
Chair.
You have picnic?
No, you have two more chair and yeah, you see what's going on.
So you know, so we are doing YouTube video tonight.
We're doing a YouTube video tonight.
What do you mean?
Alright, time for outside. So we got a garden view.
Unfortunately, fortunate.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I think we'd have to pay more money for a sea view still. But
True.
I thought we get a little piece of the sea over there, so.
If you look, just push it over the balcony.
Alright.
And you can see the sea.
So we have a porch, 2 chairs, and that little table in the middle. And I think that is it. I don't know what else to explain.
And we see one big old highway over there, sir.
Yeah. That's the sea, but
Yeah, I see the sea, like.
driving past.
Yeah, I see one glimpse of the harbor over there, sir, you know? And we look on one highway. Hopefully you can see it.
Complex.
Yeah. So that's what we're seeing.
I saw a complex online. Wait, I don't remember the name. And they were cheaper than Kingston place. Well, nah. Cheaper than Kingston.
Hello, this is no country. A tourist place this.
Yes, you're right.
Anyways, more I'm gonna change. And them have your nuggets.
Nuggets.
Yeah, nuggets or whatever you want there. These chairs are nice though. Oh, that's what they do. So the sensor there.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion.
Guys, it's the next day. And we are heading to breakfast.
What do you want? Bit of a drop of Jesus?
Okay.
It's anniversary day.
It's anniversary day. Yes. So Carrie's gonna give us that drop of Jesus.
I can check for it first.
So we hit the gym this morning. I guess you've already seen that, or will be seeing that. But yeah, we hit the gym. Now we're back. We're heading to go get breakfast, and then hit the beach. Of course, Miss Care here is looking so lovely, as usual. So, follow us to breakfast. Alright guys, so you know, we always give you that drop of Jesus. It's a new day. Even though it's just another video. Well, it's the same video.
Okay, so this is from Psalms 51 verse 2. It says, wash me thoroughly from my iniquity and cleanse me from my sin.
Amen.
Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we can go on. We can do it all night. We could go all night.
Hey! Hello, my lovely. Don't go beyond the boat. You want to don't go beyond the boat. Where are we so far? Hello, you know what see? Carry back. Babe. Turn. The man never show you to turn. You know turn?
Of course, I know how to turn.
So why we are go so far, babe?
Because we can.
Babe, the man said don't go beyond the boat.
You never said beyond him, said
Oh. See guys, we say think you're unruly, you know? So you think you're being unruly. So you gonna make me paddle go back now? Okay, go ahead. You know, if someone they do a turn, you got a back stroke. We're so far. Why are we so far?
What?
Yeah. You want me to paddle now? Turn now?
You want to try now?
No, I will turn back. You feel far.
You want to turn back?
Hey! Yes. So how you did that go? You're going like you're a professional.
How to be a professional?
This one is hot. I'll try paddling now.
So when it's easy.
No, because we know so we now move away. We know so we are move towards the shore, so now I'll paddle. I won't take us out into the current.
What I drop in? Next side now. So more left now. More left. Yeah. Just a guide yourself. Right now. Left now. Right and left. Oh man, you think me did that though? Skipping. Here. Hello, you are going to reef. Come. Babe. You mean I come back? Alright, come on now. Yeah, I gave the paddle. So this lady conquered paddling.
Man, the other day, I traveled with 14 Paris still. Yeah, I go on a bus tour.
Before I decide to go out to go explore other places,